Today we have brought a Jewel's assorted chocolates. It is a luxury chocolate and it costs a lot and so delicious, so sweet. It's very tasty. Okay, let's open it. First, look, it's designed very beautiful. Look, so we are gonna open it. Wow! Look! Wow! It's good. Yeah. I'll show you. Wow! These are so rich, pure. It's a luxury chocolate, okay? There are many models. Look. Wow. And Galaxy Hazelnut. Yeah, there are many models. Look. Galaxy, crispy, mixed nuts, and so beautiful. Galaxy whole nut. Look, these are so pure in taste, so luxury, and you should buy it. It's the name of the chocolate is Jewels. Okay, I will put in the description. Okay, so buy it, taste it. Goodbye. No. I will open and show you the chocolate. Okay, first we are gonna open this one. Look, Galaxy Hazelnut. Galaxy Hazelnut. Okay, let's open it. So we are gonna open it. Galaxy Hazelnut. Galaxy Hazelnut. So let's open it. Whoa! It's so sweet. Look, so pure, luxury. I'm gonna just taste it. Okay.